As we all know, that our U.S. tax system is a voluntary tax system, and
So we all know the U.S. tax system is a voluntary tax system. We're all starting to hear that lately. But how do we actually do something about it? What process do we use to opt out and get all of our money refunded? Once again, the process that you want to use is the 12411 process. Now, what is 12 U.S.C. 411? Title 12, United States Code 411 states that your Federal Reserve notes, which are the default currency issued in the United States and are taxable, you can redeem them on demand for United States notes or lawful money, which is non-taxable. This is taxable. These two are non-taxable, and you have a choice to declare your income as either one on your taxes. Step 1, look in box number 2 on all of your W-2. Add that amount up because that's going to be your total refund when the 12411 process is complete. Now, typically, everything you made over here in box 1 is considered taxable. We need to change that. I'll show you guys how it looks. This is the 12411 process, version 6 by Wealth Guaranteed. This is the software to use to make all of your income non-taxable every year from now on and get a 100% refund of all of your taxes. Instead of it being perceived as these taxable Federal Reserve notes like everyone else, your income will be perceived as these non-taxable United States notes. Then once that's done, let the No Tax Pros at Wealth Guaranteed prepare your tax returns. As you can see, every single penny of what they took out for federal and state taxes is what we requested as a refund. The amount that we paid in taxes, $0.00, not a single penny. Here's the check, about $15,000 for using the 12411 process. And if that isn't enough for you, I've got the cash right here. 12411 process by Wealth Guaranteed. This is a 100% refund of every single penny that I paid into the tax system. I haven't paid taxes since 2020. I've become 100% non-taxable, and this is the process I use. Join the free class tomorrow. Learn how this process works. Learn how you can apply this for yourself. If you already paid taxes this year, so be it. It'll be your last year ever paying again. See you on tomorrow's class.
I can't believe people put this stuff out on the internet, because that would be exhibit 1 if I was the government prosecuting this guy. He's got promoter liability with anybody that follows this advice. I can write whatever I want on a return. Your filing is voluntary. I am voluntarily filling out my return. If you don't file your return, you can be prosecuted for willful failure to file your return. Payment is compulsory. So when you say, hey, voluntarily, what the IRS is saying and what the courts have always said is, yeah, you're doing it yourself. It's you. Like, I prepare my return. It's voluntary. If I choose not to file and I have a tax liability, that's a criminal act. So I starts off as a misdemeanor and goes right on up to felonies pretty quick. And, remember Wesley Snipes? And there was he followed one of these guys. Wesley Snipes was in all these movies in the 90s, the 80s and 90s, Blade trilogy, really famous actor in my generation. I don't know if you guys know who he is, but he got hit. I think it was 3 willful failure to file. They gave him a year for each one. I think he did 28 months in the federal penitentiary for following this type of advice. And the court said, I don't know. He got away from one of some of the higher penalty, the felonies that he was charged with. The promoter didn't, but he did, because they said, hey, you reasonably relied on this guy. Like, we don't believe that you really wanted to commit the felony, but they gave him a year on each count for the willful failure to file.